I've got Allure and Exclusive Beauty. So if you want to see a little bit about each of these different boxes, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me and Chloe is napping with Dexter, her cat. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collabs, beauty, clothing, advent calendars, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, maybe you want to stay around and hit that subscribe button, and it is totally free to subscribe. All right, if you're returning, thank you so much for all your support and for being part of our YouTube family. So I thought I would show you, these are very different but similar boxes. Exclusive Beauty is skincare. It is typically dermatologist recommended skincare. You're going to get samples and full size. The samples are often though teeny tiny, although sometimes you have some bigger ones. Allure Beauty Box has a mixture of full size and samples, although you're getting a good amount of full size and you're getting a mixture of makeup, skincare, maybe some hair care, kind of like some fun brands, you know, brands that you've heard about that you're really interested in. In Exclusive Beauty, you're going to get some of those like high price point though, like SkinCeuticals and PCA, things like that. So I thought it'd be interesting. It's not like a which one is better because they're very different. That would be more like Beauty Fix versus Exclusive Beauty. That would be kind of comparing apples to apples. This is more just taking a look at some of the boxes out there that are in that $25 or less typically, and this might be a little bit more, it might be $35, but lower price point, but beauty. So we're going to start off with the Exclusive Beauty one because I don't have a card, so I can't tell you about them. First, we have the Elta MD Foaming Facial Cleanser. This is sensitivity free, pH balance and oil free. It's a gentle enzyme cleanser, and it is 100 milliliters, it looks like, 3.34 fluid ounces. I'm going to guess if this isn't full size, it's travel size because it's a nice big size. Next, from PCA Skin, we have the Ideal Complex Vitalizing Eye Gel. This is a 1/2 ounce, so I don't know if this is full size, but if it's not, it's a nice size for an eye gel. All right, that's certainly not a teeny tiny one, so I'm happy for that. This probably, even if it is a sample, has a good price point. Like it's worth the admission price. Next, by Replenix, this is their Retinol Regenerative Dry Serum. Now this is a sample, but it's a good size sample. This is a 1/2 ounce. And Replenix, also another pricey brand. Like that's giftable. That's giftable and not feeling bad about it. All right, SkinCeuticals. Oh my God, they are spoiling us with the brands. And this is like sometimes I get this size SkinCeuticals, but this is, it looks to be another 1/2 ounce. So this is 0.37 fluid ounces. This is a Hydra Collagen HA5 Replenish Restore Hydrator for all skin types. Okay, now here's like the little teeny tiny size like I told you. All right, here's the, but this is NeoCuts. Now NeoCuts, I've gotten a full size of this, super pricey. This is the BioSerum Firm Rejuvenating Growth Factor and Peptide Treatment. And I use these. I'll like just grab out a bunch of samples and go through them in a week. A couple more samples in here. And this is, so they usually give you like 2 of these little ones. So this is the same NeoCuts one, which at least gives you maybe 2 weeks to kind of let you decide if that is making a difference. And then this is the EXO Body Advanced Body Lotion. This is a 1/2 ounce, and I don't know anything else about this. Obviously, if it's a body lotion, this is a sample. And then last in here by ZE is their Skin Brightening Barrier Cream. This is formulated for dry skin and uneven skin tones. And it is refillable, so you're going to get the refill and the empty jar. So see, you have your refill and it's a heavy jar. So here's our jar. And then there is this little seal thing to put on the top once you open it up. And then there is the little pot that you put in with your product in there. And this is 1.7 fluid ounces, so certainly a full size. I like it when companies have this kind of option because you pay more when you're buying all of the glass, and you know, when you're buying this container, you're paying for the container and the product. This way, you've already got the container, you're just paying for the product. It's gonna save you some money. So, all right, nice job. I've not tried it. I do have this, I think the same one, but I haven't used it yet, so I can't tell you anything about it. All right, let's get into the Allure Beauty Box. Now, this is from the editors of Allure Beauty, so they go over the product, they go over why you're gonna like it, what their experience is with it, and then they tell you how much it costs. So, they also have the GQ box for men. Right. Now, there is a choice product in here, and that was a Charlotte Tilbury. And so that is the Beauty Light Wand in Pillow Talk Original, Hollywood Beauty Light Wand, or in Spotlight, or Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand in Pinkgasm. And I got the Pinkgasm. I don't know why I got that, because I feel like I have this, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I have this exact one. I don't know why I picked this and not one of the ones I didn't have, but it is nice. So it has, here's like what the color looks like, and it has like a little pad on the top, and you turn, has a little pad, you turn this, and then you squeeze it, and then the product comes up here, and then you dot it on. And that is a $42 value. All right, next we have Cat Burpee. Cat Burpee. This price is crazy expensive. This is the Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. And what does it say about it? It says we could all use a little more time in the day. Here's how it looks. All right, time in the day. And this multitasking moisturizer gives us just that. Thanks to 15% vitamin C, this potent cream brightens as it hydrates, leaving behind a glowy finish and a streamlined routine. And this is $80 for 1 ounce. And that's full size. Next, by Half Magic, we have a Sparkle Stick Eye Crayon. Now, you would have either gotten Champagne, Snowflake, Torlita, Punk Pony, Fauxbat, Cloud Kid, Princess Teddy, Frost Winkle, or Noir or Never. So they were all the colors that you could have gotten. This is a $25 value, and I got something that looks maybe blue. That's pretty. Punk Pony. Okay. I'm into it. Ooh. Look at that. That's pretty. Ooh, I like that. I thought it was blue, but it's purple. Let's see, like, that's what I saw, and I thought it was blue. Okay. I'm excited. All right, next by L'Occitane, we have the almond shower oil. Now I have one that's about this size in my shower that I'm getting ready to open, but this is twice the size. This is, so the full size of 250 milliliters sells for $29. This is 75 milliliters. And it's an oil to milk cleanser to transform from a silky elixir into a lavish lather. Okay. Next, by Lucetta, we have the Biotin and Collagen Hair Mask. This is 3.38 fluid ounces. The full size, so that's 100 milliliters. The full size of 500 milliliters is $36. And it says, if your strands are more straw than silk, a weekly treatment may be just what the doctor ordered. The strengthening biotin, plumping collagen, and nourishing argan oil in this mask give thin, dry hair a softer, shinier look, and you're going to leave it on for 5 minutes. Next, by Sephora, we have their Big by Definition Volumizing Mascara. So this is just a little sample. The full size of this for 10 milliliters is $15. This is 0.06 ounces. Next, by Noteworthy, we have the N307 Sunlit Grove. Fresh, crisp mandarin and woodsy, creamy cozy. It's a perfume. Afternoon in Soho. A late summer after the beach, and lovely, it says to describe it. So the notes are mandarin, basil, and sandalwood. And this is 1.5 milliliters. The full size of 100 milliliters retails for $139. Let's see if we like this. We do. We like it quite a bit. Okay. I will put that in with my samples and be happy about it. And then one of their advertisers has included a 3 sample stick, white peach, lemon lime, and green grape liquid IV. So I don't really care for these, any of them actually. I've tried so many different brands and I haven't cared for any of them. It's the artificial sweetener in there that I just don't like. I don't know, they just have this weird taste. So I'm going to pass this on to somebody else who I think will enjoy it. All right, so again, just a little like showing you the differences in some of the boxes out there that have both full size and samples. This had 3 full size and then 2 big samples, I would say almost travel sizes, and then 2 small samples. But I mean, for perfume, I'm not real mad about that. I think that's all right. I got so much fragrance, I don't know that I would use it all up. Okay, well, tell me your thoughts. What do you think about both boxes? Are either of these on your radar? Have you gotten any? I know a couple of you out there did start to get the exclusive beauty box. You liked what you saw. I don't have any kind of codes to save you any money. But I'm not an affiliate with any of these. I pay for all this stuff on my own, unless I tell you otherwise. So I love the Allure box. I really have been liking the exclusive beauty because I've been getting these PCA and Skin Medica or SkinCeuticals, all these great brands that like I'm not going to go out and pay for, I'll tell you that. So I do like getting to try some of this great skincare. But tell me your thoughts about each box, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.